ran out of space. Continue. Lay down your other layer of cheese, and then sprinkle some more toffee dust. The more cheese you need, the more toffee dust. This is gonna have to be a 3-part series. If you don't want to heat up your bread, you don't have to, but here's the grilled cheese. You can do this with a microwave. That's why I put it on this plate already. And clean up the mess. There you go. Let me just go ahead and put the camera down. Put the bread like that. Spin. There. And tie this. And then you're done. Cleanup's done. Then let's show you all the cheese. If you don't like it that melted, like I don't, just go and pop in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Keep the toffee dust for if you want some more later. Or eat it, who cares? Alright. You want to be on my YouTube channel, Sage? My dog. Good, Sagey. Look at that. Looking delicious. Can't be like other of these other YouTubers that take a bite because my friend's probably about to call me because we play Fortnite. There. Actually, he might not. I'll take a bite. Or not. It's looking pretty hot. It's looking pretty steamy. Take a bite of the cheese though. Ow! Very hot. Tickle on my teeth. Ooh. Pretty good. Not me eating more of the cheese. Hot. Very hot. Really good, man. Really good. It's very good. All I ask of you is for you to subscribe because I'm trying to start making money off of my YouTube channel. Also, yeah, I'm 10. Don't touch Sadie. Yeah, that's my Sadie. She's a pitbull. I know there's gonna be a lot of hate, but she's a Sadie. She's my pitbull. She's my Sadie. No, you cannot have the grilled cheese. No. Alright, out, Sadie. Out. Go, girl. That's my good Sadie. Alright, so that's my tutorial on how to make one. Jeez, I'm not a lighting owl. There. So that's my tutorial to make it. Just subscribe is all I ask. Okay, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.